I'd like to bring a child into the world, and I think that's an act of hope, and I don't think that everything's going to be amazing, but I think there's so many beautiful things happening and so many people opening their eyes to connection with te taiao, and yeah, I think there is a real hope or potential, yeah, for change. This year I'm starting a program in Tākaka teaching young people about, it's called future farming, so I'm trying to encourage young people to think about alternative ways of farming and growing food. So at the end of this year I'd love to have 8 young people who know more about land, more about systems, trying to integrate te ao Māori into that, introducing them to the marae and the amazing whānau that live in Tākaka, and the different ways that we can grow food, and thinking about the ecosystems that give us our kai. It's pretty much power in the people's hands, I think, if we can grow our own food. And if we understand all the work that goes into food, we have a much more empathetic, understanding connection to our taiao, to each other. I think there's a huge separation between the growers and the urban, and I'd like to, yeah, pull that connection together, and I think growing food is such a powerful way of doing that.